And we're rolling back at it again with another video. I'm Brandon.
I'm Justin.
And we're the Bohn Legacy, and here we got a bumper challenge today. It's just like actual bowling, but with bumpers.
Wait, yeah, it's still actual bowling. Just for us, the bumpers are up because we don't normally use the bumpers.
Let me show you how it's done. All right? All right.
So while he's showing us how it's done, we do have some special power-ups along the way that we can use for or against each other. And you know, we got three of those, and that'll be really fun to keep it entertaining. But for now, you got it done.
At a solid speed of 2.3 miles an hour. Let's get into it.
So you have to hit the left one and the right one for the shot to count. If you don't, 0. That's 1 and 2 and 7. Good effort. So
on the first and second ball.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. One thing to keep in mind, we're using our 15-pound bowling balls here. If you're going bowling on your own, be sure to not throw the bowling balls very hard into the bumpers, as that can be detrimental to the bowling center. We're gonna throw them very nice and easy and try not to break our bumpers because our parents own the place, and well, that wouldn't be very good if we broke their bumpers. So we're gonna do it nice and easy, and you guys should too at home. All right, good start, Brandon.
You know, when we were practicing, you didn't tell me I had to use both bumpers. I was getting pretty good at only using one.
That's 0.
I'll take my 7. I'll take my 7.
I'm gonna go 2-finger strategy, one hand here.
Hey, you might want to change the strategy. That wasn't very hot there.
Take 6. Take 6. All right, so we got 3 power-ups apiece here. At any time, I can tell Brandon, or Brandon can tell me to use one bumper only. Still has to hit it twice. Use a ramp, like you see at a kid's birthday party, or throw it backwards. And we can use those at any time. So Brandon, go grab a ramp.
That's fine. I'll use a ramp, but I'm going to throw in one more power-up.
Okay.
The 4th power-up is we got to take your glasses off. Because we both got glasses. We're both blind without them, so I might as well take them off to throw a shot. What do you think?
Sure.
Perfect.
Don't know how that helps either one of us, considering we're using bumpers, but whatever that wants. You go with the nice, pretty blue one. How cute. Here, I'm gonna go because you're taking a little extra time here.
Does it have to hit the bumper?
Yep. Still same rules. Oh my God. Oh.
That's not extra point.
How did that wash out? There's no way I just super washed out, throwing it dead straight. There's no way. 3, 4. Oh my God.
Come on.
What a leave. Super washout spare here.
That's actually got a chance.
Oh!
Hey, that was close.
I'll take 7 there. I'll take 7. What does he got going on here? Actually wasn't a bad play trying to rotate it.
Come on. Come on.
I really don't think this is going to take a lot for one of us to win this.
My power-up, you're going to use it now.
Oh, really?
Yep. All right. Yep, you are. You're going to use it. You're going to see how hard it is.
You know, not really a strategy to this one, other than just watch what happens. It sounded pretty good, not gonna lie. Oh! 9, baby.
All right. All right.
Oh, that might make it.
Go in the gutter.
That might make it.
Go in the gutter.
Come on. Oh.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, this one's out of play here.
Yes, sir.
Ramp is out. Pretty big spare there, not gonna lie. Oh, one side. Yeah, you gotta hit one side.
One side. So I can only hit the left side?
Or the right side.
Okay.
Yep. No! I'll take that. Considering he was on a spare, that's okay for me. Oh, no.
Now I'm still gonna go the same way here.
I'm gonna try to make my spare. Oh my God, that's 0 again.
Red hot.
More like red knot. That can't be.
Come on! Yeah! Yeah!
That power-up can't hurt my score, my opponent's score. There's no way.
All right, you gotta do it now. Right behind me.
All right. At least got a lot of pins there. I feel like the less bumpers I have to hit, the better chance I got to knock down a lot of pins. How about that gets 7? There's no way. So I'm gonna curve into this one, because I only hit the left one, curve into it, and hope that I make the spin. Carve the double wood.
You know, great idea, not so great execution.
I really don't like my score here. This isn't really good. Are you kidding?
Yeah! Come on, it's like I'm a pro at this. It's like I've done this before in my free time.
Pins at least. I gotta start somewhere, considering that he has 3 spares on the board and I have 0.
That was almost pretty good. Oh! Good thing he had his hand down, because I was not going to buy him a drink. You're still down 35 with 4 frames left.
I know. I got time. Life.
Yup. Yup.
Brandon, you got backwards this frame. I'll watch this one, because this is going to be entertaining.
Boom! Let's go! You see that? This ain't a crutch. This is a power-up. Let's go!
There's no way that works. How did you just double doing that?
Take your glasses off. I'm adding to your pain right now.
Okay, whatever you say. I think I left the same thing. I can't really see that far. You're not gonna tell me if I left the same thing or not.
No, you left the same thing.
All right. Change balls here, because that's so important.
I don't know if the ball change is really gonna help you out. It's not. I'm gonna put it in the same spot.
I thought it was a lot closer. It just looked like one blur, but it was not closer.
All right, looking for a triple here.
Glasses off.
Oh, my glasses off?
Yep.
All right.
It's the last one I got. I might as well try to use it now because you're on a double. So,
Yep.
praying for a miracle.
Oh, no.
That's 0. You only get 1 bumper. That's 0.
Change the score, buddy. I'm gonna put my glasses on to see the score.
I mean, it doesn't matter. You got all 10 up anyway. How did I get through? He literally just got 0 because he only hit 1 bumper. And I just gave it right back to him.
If that's fair.
Congratulations, you shut me out.
All right, the game's over, but Justin's 10th frame is left, and he's gonna use my power.
What does it matter? I already lost.
You're gonna go backwards.
Hopefully it works for me just like it did for you. Make sure I hit both bumpers here. That definitely hit both bumpers. Oh!
Just as bad.
How did that split?
Oh, don't worry, I'll clean up my mess.
And just like that, that right there is how you make the 3, 4, 6, 7. It didn't get down there, did it?
Now it got down there.
And that right there is how you win the first ever bumper challenge. So
Nice
well
play.
played match.
Not by me.
It was really close, came down to the wire, but that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Shout out to Compass Sportswear and Brunswick for all that they do for us. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.